Hi friends, it's me again. By the way, if you're planning to join our program, get used to seeing me a lot, hearing from me a lot. I just can't help it. Me and my coaches are really passionate about it. So I won't blame you at all if you're wondering, well, I've tried everything. I've spent thousands of dollars. I've been so committed. Most things have not worked. What makes me think this will work? Why should I try this? You know, I was exactly like that 7 years ago. And so was my partner. We tried so hard that I almost started believing that I, for once, would never be able to get to my goal. Sadly, now I meet people that are thinking exactly the same way. And what really breaks my heart is that people are actually setting their expectations to be very low when it comes to losing weight, getting healthy, improving energy, improving stamina. We're running behind so many treatments, not really getting the results, and getting really confused. So it's very normal to feel that way. And that is exactly why the 3-day trial is so critical. And during this 3-day trial, you will be able to understand if you can follow this routine. It's not for everybody, by the way. But if you are willing to follow, we'll be right behind you. Why will it work for you? Well, the first thing to understand is that these natural herbs, they can never perform the same way, as I said before in other videos, for everybody. We have to be constantly customizing and adjusting how you take them, how much you take them. Even many times we give you the food list to eat and we may be eliminating or adding more items. And how do we do that? We do that by our team of coaches. Friends, at Rad Wellness, we focus more on product than sales. And our primary product is not the herbs, it's the coaching. The right team of coachings and the right team of coaches. I'm sorry, I really didn't prepare for this video because I'm just so passionate about it. I wanted to keep it as raw as possible. By the way, on a side note, every time I'm talking to somebody who is feeling like they'll never get to their goal, I feel I have so much to share. So if I go a bit longer, please excuse me. So we were talking about coaches. You know, the right kind of coaches are the ones that actually follow wellness as a religion. Now, let me tell you, they are really a pain to deal with, not for you, but for me. But you don't want to let them go. They have their ways. They're really, really particular in what to do and how to do, but you absolutely love them because they get the job done. And that's the kind of team that's going to be supporting you. These ladies and gentlemen work round the clock. I've personally trained all of them. And together, what we have is the same way of thinking. We believe that once we pay attention to our body, we don't need to do anything else. The way God made our body, it will automatically guide us to the right direction. Now you throw in the right combination of herbs, the right food, well, you've got everything as a winner. I will be working with you day by day along with my team. We are very committed that our clients give us their daily weight and daily meal plan. One, because we love to see movement on the scale just like you do, as much as it's not a quick weight loss program, but daily movements are very possible in many cases, downward movements. And meal plan, that is very critical. Remember, at the end of the day, I would never want you to be on a program that you have to be for the rest of your life or the weight will come right back on. What you'll be depending upon after we've shown you how to balance is your own food, which is so critical. And when you give us your daily meal plan, we decide together which food suit you in what way. We give you all the tools to carry it on. Carry it on in such a way that you actually start sharing it with your friends and family. You almost become a pro at it. And we're right here to support you. So once again, give the 3-day free trial a chance. And I'm really looking forward to getting you to your goal. Good luck, be well, live well, and stay well.